Hello guys, so today we're going to do back to school shopping supplies 2018 haul at Walmart. So the first thing that I got here is one tape, two pack of erasers, three packs of markers, three sharpeners. We have 4 hand sanitizers right here. Four packs of pencils. Four crayon sharpeners. These are new to this year. 5 single erasers. 12 glue sticks. 14 coloring pencils. 16 crayons. We have 22 liquid glues right here. We have 1 pack of color pens. We have 1 pack of mechanical pencils right here. 1 pack of twistables. Okay, so next we have 120 notebooks right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys wouldn't miss our videos. Like this video and comment down below when you're going back to school.